Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing today? I hope everybody's having a beautiful, blessed day. It's a beautiful day here in Phoenix, Arizona. Yeah, we're gonna get into some jewelry making adventure today. I hope everybody has a great day. All right, we're gonna get some earrings and necklaces and bracelets made. Yep. All right, here we go. All right, so we're gonna make a bracelet. See, I made this necklace. Make a bracelet and earrings for it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a couple of these crimp beads here. Put on here. Alright. Oh man. Well, that's alright. It went flying on me. Okay, we got it on there. Got our crimp beads on there. We're gonna put our clasp on. Yeah, I'm gonna use a magnet clasp. I'm gonna have to get some more of these. So make my hoop, and then take and slide the crimp beads on. Little burger, get on there. There we go. Sometimes they want to have a mind of their own. So you gotta take and got the crimp beads on there, got that all done. Now I'm gonna make that hoop just a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna pull on this wire here and push up with my thumb and let it all slide through. That'd be about. Just trying to choke up on it a little more. See about where I'm at, because I don't want too much wire hanging out as excess, especially for a starting point. So I'm gonna push it and then pull with my hand over here, but push with my thumb. There we go. That's gonna be about where I want it. So the first crimp bead I gotta slide up here. The second one I'll put on there here in a minute, but slide it up just a little more. Sometimes you gotta get the pliers and do this, because I'm gonna slide it up just a little more, and then crimp it right there. That'll be good. And then we gotta get the other one and the wire here. So I bend the wire back, and then crimp it. Make sure you crimp them. You gotta crimp them real good. Take your cutters here and cut the excess off. Okay, so I got this all on. Give it the old pull test, make sure it's on there. Got the beads all crimped, got the excess wire cut. Alright, so I got it up here on the necklace. By the clasp, I got some of these little black ones here. I'm going to put some of them up. Pretty much match the pattern with the necklace. So I'm going to put... Oop. Sometimes I drop them. Now I have to go back and find them later, or the vacuum cleaner finds them. Put some of these on here. See how this is going to go. Put 4 on there. I think 4 would be enough. Alright, now we take our beads. They're still on the strand. We gotta cut the end. Yep, sometimes the end goes flying. So this is gonna be not too difficult. So the first one came off, so we gotta put it on there. Like so. And string it through. The beads are on the strand already. Oh, came off on me. Let me get it around here. See how that works? I got 3 on there. Yep. So take and just have your bead with your wire. It come on string or fishing line. But have your beads on there, still attached. Just cut the end so they don't come off, and then string this in like so. Your necklace or your bracelet part, whichever. And then you got this. See? Some beads going on there. All right. So I always kind of use my own wrist to measure, like so. I use my own wrist to measure here. See about where it's at. I'm gonna put some of these black ones because I got a couple charms. I got an idea I think I'm gonna put on here for someone. I'll keep that like that. And then you just go back. I just put that there so I could put a charm on it if I wanted to right here. And then you just go back, and that's why I counted these, because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I got 4 of these little black ones here and 4 little black ones here. So I'm going to do 10 more of these. I hope I'm not making it too big. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we got 10. 1, 2, 3. I got 10 and 10 on each side. So it's going to look like it's going to have the black ones, but I'm going to make sure it's not too. So yeah, it's a little too big, so I'm going to take some beads out. That means I'm going to have to do it like this. I think I'm going to do 8. And then put these 4 black ones and then do 8. Sometimes you got to fix your mess. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because it's a little big. 2, 3, 4. See, that's why I always test it before I put anything together, because I want to make sure. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to do 8. That's what 8 will be like here. Alright, so we gotta do our 4 black beads now. That one don't want to go on for some reason, so I'm not gonna use it. Right here now. This is gonna be plenty big enough. I tested it out and everything, it's gonna work. I just gotta finish putting it together. So what we gotta do is put a couple of these crimp beads on here. There we go. Put some crimp beads on there. Gonna loop it through our clasp on the other side. Get it up. Kind of tight. About where you're gonna want it. Okay, I got the clasp on wrong. Emily Bimily! Emily Bimily! There we go. Of course, we always gotta loop our cable back through our clasp beads. Just like I'm showing you here. Hold it down. Got my round ones in here. Pulling on my wire to make my hoop. I haven't clasped anything yet. Because I always do my little bit of adjustment here. As you got to. Well, them came out, so it don't matter about that anyways, because I'm ready to clamp this one right where I want it. Yep. To hold it. And then we're going to clamp this one to hold it. Crimping them down. Yep. Got this bracelet almost done. Woohoo! Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we got this bracelet. It's got the magnet clasp. All we got to do is cut this wire right here. We'll be all done with the bracelet. So you got this little bit of wire right here hanging out. This little bit right here. So what you do is you stretch it. You get your round pliers in there. Oh, it almost went. You bend it down. You get your that end to go on the top of that bead right there. Alright, I'm going to have to trim it because it don't want to go in. But I got this. There we go. It's gone. Boop, boop. Made a nice little bracelet to go with the necklace here, but okay, let's make some earrings and then I'm going to do some charms on them, some different charms. Let's do these earrings real quick. So we got these earrings. Got some of these black beads we're going to need here. I'm going to do a couple of these because these are what's on the necklace and bracelet are these. So Whoop. Doing like this. Let me see how this looks. I think that's going to look pretty good. And you take your round nose pliers. Well, they're needle nose, but the needle part is round. So bend it over like how I showed you. And then you got to take to make your loop, to make your hoop. Just trying to make a hoop. A hoop. So I got to put a earring backward on there like so. Now that I got this much of it done, and I'm ready to finish making my hoop up here. And I think that's gonna work. Cut the end right there. That's one earring down. All right, we'll get the other one here. Well, all right, that's what we're doing. That's what we got. Oh, forgot my earring hoop. Gotta get it on here so I can this one on, because I'm almost got it done. Because I want it to come around. There we go. So I got wrapped, made a hoop, got wrapped. Can cut the end off like I did on the other one. All right, so I still have on my strain for these beads. So I'm gonna just put these bad little boys right back on there, like so. Like so. And I'm just gonna tie it, because I can do something else with these instead of wasting them. Just gonna tie it a couple times, make a good knot right there so none of it can come off. So what I'm going to do is take this one off, because I got matching hearts here. Put one on here, one on there. Easy peasy job. You just grab the hoop that your flower is on, or whatever you got on there. You want to take it off. Set that to the side. Get one of your hearts that you want to put on. Slide that sucker right on there like so. And you still got your open. You're holding it. You grab your pliers and pinch it together. Oop. Like so. Now I'm going to have a pretty heart on it. You always got to color match best as possible. That's better. Yeah. So just find your open spot on your ring right here. They're easy. Just like so. Twist. You might have to use a little bit of a fingernail. If it's too hard, get the other pliers and grab it. Twist it open. Might need a little more than that because I'll go around that part. Anyways, put your charm on there. Put it on the bracelet. Oh. I know it'll go on there. It's open just enough. Maybe not. No, this one's going to be difficult. That's alright. Put it on there like so. See how I did that? Oh, too much. So I did a little too much. I didn't mean to squeeze it that tight, but I did. So you just take it and you adjust it back and you fix it. That's all.
Right, Apple. What?
And as you see, I got a whole matching set now. with these hearts and beads. The earrings to match. Yeah, so. Alright, everybody. Have a great day. Follow your dreams. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.